A Very Rusty Plymouth Superbird 1970. Have you ever seen oldness? People are often scared of oldness, but what about the age of the cars? How does their life end? Some of them are loved and cherished, which makes the car way too eccentric over time, and the others are driven through the ground to the end when only necessary parts are repaired, thinking that everything else does not affect the speed. But the worst thing is to be left alone. What actually happened to this car? Time passed, years flew by, unfortunately, not for the better. About that, we have some kind of bad joke. Don't poke the bottom with the screwdriver unless you're trying to make a hole. But shortly about the car itself. It stood in one place for almost 30 years and was discovered a couple of years ago. It's very sad because this is a unique piece, of course, if you understand what we are talking about. But we would like to know what you think. Is it possible to restore this car?
Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing and bye bye.